Greetings and much blessings. Now, in a lot of secular spaces, whether here on YouTube, but even outside of YouTube, just different websites, yes, different websites and probably other social platforms, i.e. IG, just for example, basically. Yeah, there is this talk of female nature, and it has grown more in popularity, of course. Well, I want to talk about something quite different in regards to her nature, okay? Well, the thing is that beyond female nature is mother nature. Now, of course, yeah, you hear about Mother Nature a lot, especially growing up. You've probably heard about Mother Nature even in school, probably like social studies, maybe geology, who knows, but you hear about it. But that actually is what's beyond female nature, is Mother Nature. How does this tie in with femininity and even the topics that I usually talk about? Well, this is what I mean. Beyond female nature is Mother Nature. Mother Nature brings out a lot of spirituality. It brings out a lot of its electromagnetism that it has. A lot of femininity is literally rooted and grounded. And when she's out of her roots and she's not grounded, she literally becomes more bipolar. She's not connected to the poles, like magnetically. So she tends to be off her rockers. Yeah. So, and really her spinning around all over the place in this world is actually reflective of the fact that she's not truly spinning around. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, I mean just in regards to the magnetic things, in regards to how that produces electricity, the way she should be spinning around, if you will. By her spinning around just all over the place means that she's not truly connected. Now, one thing I want to bring up as a side note is that the nature of the feminine, especially of things that resonates to her to grow stronger in spirit, is rooted and grounded into the earth. And just like the earth, actually the earth is rooted and grounded as well. Ladies should have more. They should have more earth tones about themselves. They should have a lot more earth tones. They should be more natural, spiritual, based on natural, right? Not spiritual based on magic. Okay, the true supernatural is due to spirituality based on natural. Okay, that's true supernatural. Anything outside of that is magic. It just tries to pose itself as supernatural when it is not. Given that, like, you can just see the fakeness about it, given that a lot of the feminine try to pose themselves as truly feminine when they're not, because they're not even rooted and grounded. Therefore, they're not truly down to earth. Y'all stay blessed.